Boy howdy. Good morning. I have not washed off my makeup for the day. I slept like an animal. I barely got myself out of bed this morning. So we made several videos over the weekend. So by the time you're seeing this, it should be like Friday. It's Monday for me. And I just came off of our Mother's Day weekend and I feel like I've been hit by a train. And it's because I ate like garbage. Do you know what Joel and I did? We just got a Papa John's in Logan. No, our little city, our little town, our little valley. Our Papa John's went out of business years ago. And it's been years since I've like plowed an entire pizza. Okay, well the chokehold that Papa John's ranch sauce with bell peppers, olives, and pineapple has on me. Okay, well, Joel and I ate an entire pizza. We stayed up so late. We didn't get any sleep one of the nights, and I was just living my best life in the moment. My guts, and soda. Normally we don't drink. I mean, I'll have it here and there, but like, I drank like 2 full sodas with this pizza, and I can feel the swelling in my face. My guts hurt. I woke up the next morning and I was like, I think I'm like food hungover. Like, I feel horrible. So I'm supposed to be getting, sorry. I can't bring myself to even get ready. I just don't feel like it. Here's what I have to get done today. Okay, and this is funny. Joel has his workout clothes laid out for him to work out. And when I wake up and see that this is still sitting here, I know he had the same night I did. He's like, yeah, I'm not working out. Today's a big day. Let me tell you what I need to get accomplished that I am like dragging my feet to do because I just don't feel like doing it. For a few reasons, physically, mentally, but like emotionally. I am supposed to take photos of my home so that I can list it. But let me show you what my house is looking like. I'm sorry, what am I supposed to do with all of this? Like, how am I supposed to, you know, and you're not even gonna help me. You're gonna sit and watch me. Like, oh yeah, you can see, like, we were so gluttonous, but it's fine. We're starting fresh. I'm tossing all the candy, soda, whatever that's in the house. We're starting over. We'll have a healthy dinner. But it's like, if I'm going to clean and take photos all day, it's like, I don't want to go shopping and try to find something for dinner, but I have to. All right, let's go. Did I fail to mention that it snowed? Hi, please survive. I know you're covered in snow and it's freezing. Please survive, little plant. We are gonna start with the cleanest room in the house. We're gonna start here because I will feel like I have really accomplished something. Gotta make sure this is like straight. I feel like I will have accomplished something if I can get one photo done. And that's all you gotta do when you're tackling a task, is one thing at a time. Am I right? We've got paint samples over here, tile samples. Very, very exciting. Where to put everything? Where am I gonna put it? Every single day of my life, I'm like, all right, if I had an office, this would go in my office. My mom always told me whenever I wasn't feeling good or like didn't want to do something, she's like, get up, get ready, brush your teeth, and you will feel better. And the thing is, she's not wrong. But I never listen. I never do it. I never get up and get ready. Haven't brushed my teeth yet, and I just don't want to. Maybe I function better in chaos. I don't really know. I think she's right, and I'm just refusing to listen. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. La, 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 la. Okay. Oh. There. You know the drill. We got everything picked up, and now we are going to dust. And if you're like, well, they're not like they're in person. Okay, if like you can see dusting. If you take a picture and you have not dusted, you can tell. It's a thing. Like, it's a thing. It is a thing. You gotta dust. I don't wanna dust today. I don't wanna clean today. I have a headache because my body's like, why are you treating me like garbage? Where's the water? I need water. In fact, I should stop everything I'm doing and go drink a full thing of water. That's what I should do, but sometimes we don't do things that are good for us because we're stubborn and dumb. That's a big face. It's already hot. It's snowing outside and I feel hot. Not sure why there's quinoa on here, but it's there. When I was at Ellie's, she had this little vacuum thing, and I've had several vacuums like this before, and somehow this one has become my favorite. You put this little pad at the bottom, and it has a cartridge that the vacuum sucks everything into. It vacuums and it mops. It has the option to do both. Did it just click in? Hold on. There we go. So it clips in like that. The cartridge sucks up the vacuum, and I was very impressed with how strong the suction was. And then there's a cartridge that you can put cleaning fluid. I just put water. You could put water and vinegar in it. And I like that because others, it doesn't allow you to put whatever cleaner you want. You have to use like their specific ones or whatever. I love this bad boy. I'll put it in the description for you. Goes up on top of my rug. I've had little mops like this, and I've had little vacuums like this, but I've never had one that's a vacuum and a mop. This is seriously so good. I used it on my outdoor rug when we set up our patio. It was fantastic. One room down, she's dusted, vacuumed. I'm not gonna mop. Maybe I should mop. Fine, I'll mop.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Joel? Oh. I just hung up on him.
Hello.
Hey, do you have your black backpack?
I do.
Does it have the big camera's battery in it? Battery charger?
I'm not sure. Let me stop and check real quick.
I'm so bummed because I'm like taking pictures and the battery's like dead.
Oh shoot.
And I usually keep it inside the case, and I must have put it in your backpack.
Is it underneath the bed anywhere?
No. What are you doing?
I gotta run into town and get a different set of plans. I don't have it, sweetheart.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't see it anywhere in this black backpack.
Okay. You have to get a new set of plans printed for the footings guys?
Yes.
Because they didn't have one, or?
The set that the architect pretty much they had combined two sets. They combined the new structure set, so it showed the new porch and all that. It was structurally done correctly. But it showed the dimensions for the old porch.
Stop it.
So technically they don't have the most accurate information. He's like, it's probably not the best to work with. He's like, is it possible to get a new set?
And those were like $400, right?
Well, the tie-back one, but luckily the tie-back they're out of stock on, so I just get paper ones, which will only be, I don't know, like $75, but still. And I don't even care about that, it's the time. Like, not having what we need sucks, you know?
Okay, well, I'll let you go then. Thanks for looking.
Okay,
bye. Well, that is a fine improvement from what it was earlier. I did take a picture and I did like have that moved so that it was like a little less cluttered, but that felt really good to get done. The kids are home now, and you guys, Olivia is the best bathroom cleaner in the world. Cody is a very fantastic laundry helper, so.
And he doesn't put Dad's underwear in my room.
Did someone else do that?
I find Dad's underwear, your underwear, like every week.
Hey, it's
in
okay.
My room somehow.
I just found all of your clothes in mine.
One of Dad's short garments was in our room.
Short. Okay. Well, you kids are the ones who do the laundry.
I made a new arrangement. Each of us gets 2 cubbies, so there's 2 left, and that's like for our fancy clothes and clothes that we
That's
are
fantastic.
not.
Do you want to show?
Don't fit
Do you
really.
want to show these guys?
When I was little, I used to
sure.
lay.
Before you run downstairs, Cody, our next door neighbor brought these over just for you. Well, obviously, she was like, he can share. She's like, I brought enough for the whole family, but she made them because she said that she came home and knew that she had to mow her lawn, and then she was going to mow her sister's lawn that wasn't able to get to it. And when she got home, her lawn was completely done, and you did it.
I can mow lawns now.
Yeah, and she said, I might have to have him help me all summer.
That's good.
Yeah.
My dad's friend James offered me a job if I can get good at lawn mowing these 3 weeks. I can get a job.
Okay, good job. I'm really proud of you. Okay, go show these guys your closet.
Okay, I don't know if I'm 100.
And Cody, thank you for, like, I didn't even ask you to do that, so thank you.
Do what?
To rearrange your closet, I just wanted it picked up.
Oh.
So, but thank you. You went the extra mile. Thank you.
So this is our closet. This is my shelf. All my like play clothes, my nicer clothes are all of our really nice clothes. Boston's and then Lincoln's, then socks and that stuff goes in there. I don't think I've brought this up in a while, but I was wondering, well, here, give me 1 second. This is made all of bottle caps. These are bottle caps that my grandma takes off her soda cans, and when she does, she gives them to me. I asked her, and I want to build like a figure guy, whatever, and I've had it for like a long time, and I want to see if I can get it done in the last 3 weeks of school left, because I started at the start of school. It would be great. You guys don't have to do this, but I was wondering if you guys had sodas, could you take off the caps and maybe send them to me and see if I can get done by the end of the year?
Cody, okay, did you show him your thing?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a P.O. box. I told him he wanted me to ask, and I said, no, if you want to ask, you can show them your guy.
I didn't know how to do it.
No, I think that's fantastic. And I guarantee people will send you, did you show exactly what they need to send in?
Mm-hmm. Tops of bottle caps.
Okay, and we have a P.O. box in the description. It's at the bottom of the description. So send them in to Cody. Cody, that's so fun.